My name is Joshua Krupa. I am the Education Program Specialist here at the Office of Science Outreach, and I am the Director for Science Wizards. For Science Wizards, it's a combination of a whole bunch of different activities where the kids get to experience the magic of science, making it fun, making it engaging for them, where they get to go through many different topics: physics, chemistry, biology, engineering, material science, and a way to introduce it to them and to want to go back and learn more throughout their entire school career.
I'm Katie McWhorter, and I'm a curriculum mentor for this year. And what they're doing is they're coming in every day and they're interacting with fellow science students like myself. And for Science Wizards specifically, they're making just little experiments and crafts. They're just getting acclimated with being in a lab setting and just learning more about, just different science topics.
I'm Madison Ruffner, and I'm an instructor with Science Wizards Camp. So Archmage Amethyst is the antagonist that we have built throughout the week of camp. So at the very beginning of the week, during our camp expectations that are being given, we have an interruption that comes from Archmage Amethyst and drops a mysterious envelope that says "do not open" on it. Yeah, the campers really get into it. So each part of the curriculum that we've laid out has a letter that goes with it from Archmage Amethyst and explains how the campers need to defeat the Archmage in that instance. So some of the hits that we always have are building dragon egg carriers, which is an egg drop. We tape them outside to a fire escape ladder with permission from Penn State. And then we drop their engineered containers off of that ladder and see would the dragon eggs survive. Some of the other things that we do are we build catapults and we break down barriers that the Archmage has built.
They do some really fun ones. They make some circuit ones, learning about how electricity is flowing, how circuits are made. They're going to be doing their mythical brews later on in the week, where they get to do a little bit of chemistry experiments to figure out what reacts together and what are the signs of chemical changes. And they also get to do some fun ones this year, like anodizing titanium. They're going to make magic wands throughout the week, another type of magic wand. So it's a really broad range of science that they get to do.
They love all of the different crafty activities we get to do. It's not just talking about science, it's actually doing science, especially at such a young age. I think that's a really cool opportunity.
There are lots of smiles. There are some campers who get really into the magical element of it, and then there are other campers who get really into the science element of it, but there's a place for both of those groups because we do a nice blend of the magical elements and the science elements to really make sure that learning is happening in a fun and magical way.
They've been engaged, they've been hands-on, they've been making a fun mess throughout the whole entire week, but it has been nothing but engaging in it and just wanting to learn more, wanting to explore these different activities and the different sciences. It's an amazing camp. These are an amazing group of kids, and just looking forward to seeing them in future years and seeing them come back to the programs, and looking forward to next year with them if they come back to Science Wizards.